All right, in this video, I'm going to cover how to download your photos, videos, and all your marketing material from Real Estate Photographer Pros. So this particular order we're looking at is for Habitats for Humanity. So if you're wondering what these pictures are and what we're doing, it's a project we did for, we're volunteer photographers and videographers for Habitats for Humanity. So you'll receive an email just like this. It'll have the address of your project. It'll be addressed to you, and it basically says your media is ready. It will have a download link, have a property preview link. It will have a reminder that we have a free app. So if you want to use our free app to do any booking or scheduling changes or to manage your media, you can download our free app to your iPhone or to your Android. It will have a referral code because if you use our referral code and give that to one of your friends, you will get $100 off on your next photo shoot. And this is access to your account. You can create an account with this and have a password and be able to see all your photos and all of your projects. So let me go into the download here. Just click download. As you just accept this, just a reminder that about the photos. And then you have high resolution, low resolution. You probably will never need the original files because those would be for prints only. And if you do need print photos for prints, you want to tell us before because we'll make sure you'll get a high resolution for prints. We normally just send the low resolution because that's all everyone uses and they're optimized. So you just click download. Photos are downloading. Now, everyone's computer is set up that they go to your download folder. I don't know where your download folder is. It's different for everyone. I have a dedicated download folder because that's the way my computer was set up, and I just leave them there. This is over 100 photos because it was a big event. They were giving away, not giving away, but dedicating 2 homes. So there were a lot of people there, a lot of opportunity for photos. So you can see here, it just goes to my download photo. And on a Mac, it will unzip it. I have mine set up so let me back up. On everyone's folder, it will download a zip file. So there's the zip file. On a PC, sometimes you will have to extract this zip file, so you need to unzip it. It's kind of like a to-go package. You pull up to a fast food restaurant, they give you your lunch in a to-go order and a bag or some sort of delivery cart, and then you unpackage it. This is the same thing with any photos, emails, or video. It comes in a zip. My system's set up so it automatically unzips it, and then I can see all of the photos right here, and I can preview them and put them wherever they need to go. So it's basically a couple of steps. I'm going to go back and review that. So here we go. Go back to the email. Go back to the email. Now you can preview the photos. So let's say you've got an order, but you haven't paid for it, or you're previewing this for somebody else. You can go right here. And you can preview the photos. And a lot of people think when they're previewing the photos, they're going to have to go through here and individually download them. You won't have to individually download them. You can go through and download the entire group of photos onto your system. So you just go right here, go to download media. Look over this, click accept, hit download. So now it's downloading. And what it's doing is zipping that up, putting it into a zip folder, and it's going to download to your download location on your computer. On my computer, it goes directly to my download folder. And then it will automatically show up on my desktop right there. There's the zip file, and there's the photos. And I can go in and move those photos and put them wherever they need to go. Now, if you need for us to email someone else, like maybe you have an admin person, someone in the office, someone on your broker's team that manages your marketing assets, just let us know in the ordering process. And when we send this delivery email, we will send it to the agent and the admin person. And that way you both get the content at the same time and can start the listing process. All right. Thank you very much.